Merry Christmas, everyone. My present is inside of this bag. There it is. Alright, so as y'all can see, I got two of these. I'm gonna start from oldest to newest. So first I have a Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved blister pack. Sorry guys, I was struggling opening them. There's an eraser. I forgot the name of this Pokemon. I think it's Lechonk. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one. Regular Scarlet and Violet. Oh nah, it's a white code card. Really bad luck. Really bad sign. Basic Energy. Starly. Tarantula. I don't know how to pronounce these new Pokemon. Waterel. Krokorok. Tatsugiri. Trainer Jack. Floragato. Tandemaus Reverse Hollow. Scatterbug Reverse Hollow. Oh, not bad actually. Koraidon Holographic. Not an EX, but he's legendary Pokemon for Scarlet and Violet. Alright, so next I got Paldea Evolved. This one came out around my 14th birthday. I don't think I've ever pulled anything good from this set though. Okay, this one's a black code card, so it's a better sign. Basic Energy, Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Corvisquire, Stadium Trainer Artisan, Paldean Tauros, Reverse Hollow Trainer. I'm not gonna pronounce that. A Girafarig and a Tyranitar Holographic. Does a lot of damage. Not a EX though, so. Moving on to the second one. I haven't opened that many of these. Temporal Forces or Twilight Masquerade. This one has a Belly Bolt eraser. Fuck, I'm gonna struggle on this one too. There's a billboard eraser. I think Temporal Forces is older. I think I've only opened like one of these before. Also a black code card, so good sign. Electabuzz, Bramblin, Girafarig, Roselia, Rabska, Iron Jugulis, Full Metal Lab Trainer, Grubbin Reverse Hollow, Rosary Reverse Hollow, Melmetal Holographic, and no regular energy. Dang it, haven't pulled anything good yet. This is the last pack. Please, please, may something good come out of this. Still a good sign since it's a black gold card. Alright, let's see. Jinx, Floette, Sunkern, Abra, Rillaboom, Trainer Handheld Fan, Morpeko, Volbeat Reverse Hollow, Floette Reverse Hollow, Frostless Holographic. Fuck! I didn't really pull that much. I mean, this isn't an EX, but it's still a cool card. Koraidon. And then Tyranitar. I didn't know a regular card could do that much damage. Well, I don't like Christmas for a sad reason. I'm not going to explain why, but I was hoping to at least get something good, which would make this Christmas good. But I'm dealing with problems right now, and I hope you understand. I made a video a few days ago about me crying. I'm not having a good life right now. And I didn't get to pull anything good from this. Should I make more Pokemon card videos? Let me know in the comments. Goodbye.